Never forget your Dragon Chat Day, and okay, celebrate your birthday with your dragon. It's a lot of fun. Although, just be careful with the fire. Dragons like to celebrate it. Bye. I'll go find Asher really quick, and I can talk to her. My friend Fishlegs has a really nice dragon academy that I've left in his control ever since I became chief. And maybe he can give you a few lessons. Yeah? I'll go find him. Okay, I'll do that. My friend out here will introduce you to. Okay, so listen. Everything he says, I taught him all he knows, and of course, well, I'm sure you'll be writing at our dragon academy.